What's up everyone, this is me Zen here and welcome again in another fresh video. So this is another kind of AI tool. Today we'll learn about this AI tool. So basically you have watched many reels and many videos regarding this kind of effect. It's kind of a loop effect regarding 2D images. So in this video we'll see that how we can easily convert any 2D images and replace with displacement map using the Leiapix AI. So first you need to search for this Leiapix.com. Over there is the web address you can see. By the way, if you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and if you have any questions, if you want me to create any video regarding your topic, so feel free to comment down below. And here it is the website you can see. After that you need to just simply press for the try for free and you need to redirect it to the sign up page. So basically I have created already the sign in options is now working, so make sure you turn off the ad blocker or else it will give you some kind of pop-up. So you can see it's now loaded. The authentication is some kind of messy, so it's now working. So here is the like authentication page. So first of all you need to sign up for this account, so I directly go for the sign in because I already created account for this tutorial. So let's sign in and let's see. So that's not the account, I guess. So I give the simple one-click permission and rewrite the privacy terms to confirm the method. So here you can see, here is the full interface. So we will have this 100 credits like other AI softwares. It's not an unlimited source for the earning. So for that you need to fill the credits, so make sure it's a limited version. So and there are three different options like depth AI animation to convert 2D images to 3D and the depth AI mapping. So you can either extract to displacement map and then edit in After Effects. You can do that also. Now let's upload one image. So for uploading image I choose my client image to show you something very nice. So make sure your image has some kind of depth. So I choose this image and drag and drop here. So it's now processing and the image processing and the depth animation is now working on image, so it might take some seconds, so wait for a bit. And here you can see our animation is successfully created. You can see it's kind of a loop animation with some watermarks. It's really annoying. And by the way, you can see there is kind of something wiggling effect. So for ignoring this kind of effect, you make sure choose the dolly and it will give you some kind of this look. And you can also change different animation from these presets. So it's kind of a full-fledged 3D from the 2D image. You can see you can also either go for the depth map. You can also export the depth map over there. This is basically a depth map. It's basically located the image and defined. Here is the page. Now you can simply download this video by using this export and it will give you some kind of thing. So it's a free beta, so let's click on next and you can download 720p resolution in the free version. So export it and processing file and exporting blah blah. So it's a 66% right now, so let's give more minutes to export. By the way, one thing I forget to mention that it has kind of a smaller watermark over there. You can see it's a smaller one, so you can simply remove it from here, so it doesn't matter. Opening from this thing is really nice. So now close this and see the output. I guess it comes with this watermark. I guess think it has some watermark issues, I think. In this video, if you do subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to comment down below. And if you do like this video, you can also visit my website. I recently built a website for clients and works. So guys, thanks for watching. It's an AI video for you.